Hello everyone, welcome to a quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how we can reduce our Flutter project size. For example, if we want to share our Flutter project and want to make GIF, a GIF file for this Flutter project, if we want to make a GIF file, it's going to be a huge file size sometime. Or if you're working on lot of Flutter project, you maybe notice that Flutter is took lot of space. So how can we reduce this? So what you can do, you can simply delete your build folder. When you run your Flutter project, you see that a build folder is generating. So you simply delete this build folder and you see the huge amount of space is already gone. And one important thing, an efficient way, which is you simply go your terminal, you just click on the terminal and type Flutter clean and hit enter. By doing this, all of the build related folders, temporary files, all of the things is deleting. So your Flutter file size is also reduced. So now simply go to your Flutter project directory and just make this folder zip, and you can easily share this folder and store this folder on your device, and it is reduce the huge amount of the size. So you notice that the file size, the folder size is going to be reduced. This is a quick tutorial where I will show you how you can reduce your Flutter project size. So again, when you want to run your project, just go to pubspec.yaml file and just click on the gate, and you will and after completing this, just run and you can build your project again. Thanks for watching.